tutorial. Basic makeup, not too many products, not too many, but simple and easy to follow. Like, this shouldn't take too long, and it's really geared towards those that are just now getting into makeup and want to do like something quick, simple, and easy. You can use even less products than what I'm about to use, especially if you are a beginner and want just even skin tone, a little bit of lash, a little bit of lip gloss, and call it a day. We can do that video another time. But I'm going to a late lunch, early dinner type of thing, and then I'm going to a musical. I already washed my face, got out the shower. So yeah, let's get started because time is getting away from me. So this is the Tatcha, what is this? Tatcha Silk Canvas. This is cool. It is cool. It's a nice product. It is expensive. Most people will say this is expensive, just so you're not caught off guard if you go to look up the price or you go into Sephora. Okay, this is a tad bit pricey, but there are products out there that have the same effect for half the cost. But this is what I'm using because this is what I packed. I do have dark spots like crazy around my chin and mouth. I just started breaking out really bad and they have been leaving dark marks. That was the e.l.f. orange color corrector for dark spots. But because I am a little bit, I'm not really warm right now. This is the Maybelline concealer in Honey. Put some of that under my eye. Okay. A little bit right here. And I don't need that right there. Okay. Then I'm gonna take that same brush because that's all I packed. I thought I packed a different brush, but I did not. And I'm gonna pack it on. And because I do have a wide face already, I don't take my concealer all the way out. I used to do that, but I don't anymore because my face is chunky and wide, so I don't need that. This is what I wanted to do first. This is the LA Girl Brow Gel. I'm gonna brush that up. This is the Morphe pencil, micro brow pencil. This is the main one that I really like. Okay. What else did I use? I can't remember what else I used. I should have recorded last night because that look perfect. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the color Nutmeg. Did I use this last night? I think I did. As you can see, I didn't add any more foundation. Like, I didn't wipe any foundation on directly on my forehead because it's already enough product. I'm tan. And again, because I don't have my other brush, I'm gonna go back in with this same brush and I'm just gonna focus right underneath. Right underneath, right underneath. I should have put my eyeliner on first because my eyes start to water just a little. Now, with this little Morphe sponge thing that's literally ripping apart. What happened? It was not doing this. I literally just used this last night. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the color Medium Deep. I'm just gonna go in with that. Get in that corner. Then to carve out a little bit of cheekage right here to not make my face look so fat. Okay. That's it. This is the Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencil. This is like the blackest black. Like, it's a gel crayon pencil. When I tell you this is extremely dark, I love it. Make sure this is all the way up. Okay, another brush to sweep this dust away. See how I kind of got like a natural contour. Don't forget that forehead. Okay. Then, this is the Ruby Kisses No More Blemish Powder. I believe this is caramel. Yeah, cafe caramel. I'm pretty much gonna use this all over, but more so the places where I highlighted just to add a little bit of warmth back in. Okay. This is the CoverGirl Full Spectrum bronzer in Ebony. I go right in on top. Contour that forehead, bronze up that forehead just a little. See? Because I have a double chin, go right underneath. And very lightly, just like that. But make sure you blend it in. I don't see, I got a chin now. Like I had back in the day, okay? Okay. Then that natural line. So what you're making is like an E. Kinda, sorta. So boom, 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 like an E, like a 3 or something, I don't know. See that versus that? Okay. Then, just to clean it up just a little bit more, I'll go right back in with a little bit of powder right here because I went a little bit too far in. Right there. And while that's doing this thing, let's just move on to mascara. Oops. This is the e.l.f. tubing mascara. I do not have my lash curler, so this will just have to work. I don't have my eyeshadow on. That's just the natural color of my eyelids. It has always been that way. Can't tell you why, I don't know. Okay, now this step is a little extra. You don't have to do this. I like my philtrum to be defined. See that? And then my nosy. If this is too much for you, you do not have to do this step. To my face. This is some e.l.f. cream blush I got for like $3 at Walgreens. It was on sale. Pretty sure it was from Walgreens. This is the Ami Color highlighter stick. I put that right here, right on the apples of my cheek. Was Ami Color saved? Like the company saved? I don't remember. Or was that somebody else? I don't remember. Oh, too much. Too much, too much. See that glow? And then put some right under the eyebrow bone. There we go. Okay, I got stereo. I think that's all I need right now. This is the So Pro Cosmetics Hydra Mist. Okay, so this bun is gonna be what it's gonna be. I can't keep playing games. Okay. This was the NK lip liner in brown. And this is Fortune Cookie by NYX. Sick liquid liner. I got a pimple right there. I have an actual mole right there and an actual mole right here. Now, if you don't want to use jet black, you can use brown. You can use a pencil, so it's not so stark, but I don't care. I kind of like that look. Not even kind of, I love it. This is the face, this is the mug. This is the mug for the night. Again, I don't have any eyeshadow on. But if you wanted to, or spruce it up just a tad. I did way too much on this side. If you wanted to spruce it up, I didn't need glitteriness. Okay, so this is the final look. It's time to go. It's been time to go. Okay, so I think for tonight I'm gonna wear Juliet Has a Gun Powder Love. That's pretty. That's pretty. Or I could wear yeah, I'm gonna wear that. That smells good. So I hope you guys like this look. Very simple. I think it's simple. It could get even more simplistic than this, and I will record a video doing that, but I had to do a little one too. Okay. So there's that. Bye.